Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com and finbingo.com. First, let us look at the global cues. Yesterday, the US markets were closed for a public holiday. Because of that, there is no much action. However, the US futures are mixed. S&P 500 future and Dow future trading in slightly green and Nasdaq trading slightly red. But however, most of the Asian markets are trading in green, and not necessarily because of buying interest, and this may be probably because of lack of selling interest. Those who want to sell, they would have sold already. Because see, Nasdaq is down 6-7% from the recent high, and most of the stocks have fallen 8-10%. So those who want to sell, they would have sold already. So probably now the markets may stabilize because of lack of selling pressure rather than buying pressure. But however, India many times it trades just opposite to the global cues. And yesterday both FIAs and DIAs were net sellers. And so that may be a slight drag for our market in the very short term. When FIAs are also selling and DIAs are also selling, then who want to buy the market? And however, the selling may be restricted to certain result related stocks or certain heavyweight stocks like HDFC Bank. And yesterday the Bank Nifty fell about 150 point. The entire 150 point fall came only because of HDFC Bank. And assume that HDFC Bank has done well, and probably by this time we would have crossed even all-time high. That's because the IT index is doing so well, and Reliance has shot up nearly 250 points from the recent low. That is nearly about 10%. So Reliance shooting up 10%, TCS shooting up 15%, Infosys shooting up 10% in the last 1 month, and all these are index heavyweights. And the drag is actually coming from Bank Nifty and particularly from HDFC Bank. So yesterday the result related action is over, and today's price action will actually tell you the strength of its results. So I will not be surprised today if HDFC Bank closes in green, because the way I see the results are not really bad. So positive global cues and FIA, DA both selling, which is a negative cue. So that may get neutralized. So today few stocks will be in focus. Number one, as I told you, HDFC Bank, and I will see the price action today to see the long-term movement. And I always just write off the price action on the day of the result or the next day of the result if the result is declared after the market hours. The second stock will be in focus is Bajaj Finance. And Bajaj Finance yesterday it has crossed 7,900, and which is just 100 point away from its all-time high. You may remember only last month some foreign brokerage downgraded the stock, and they said the target is 6,000. And where is 6,000? Where is 7,900? So this is how foreign brokerages give the calls. And not only that, and later about 1 week before, another foreign brokerage downgraded both JSW Steel and Tata Steel, and that one day the two stocks fell. Then after that every day it's moving higher. So Bajaj Finance will be in focus, HDFC Bank will be in focus, and ICICI Bank will be coming out with results on Saturday, but some of their group companies like ICICI Securities, they will be coming out with results today, but mostly they will come out with results after the market hours, I think. So the speculation will start building in both Reliance and ICICI Bank, because Friday Reliance results, Saturday ICICI Bank results. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance and Bajaj Finance are the stocks that will be in focus. And yesterday, the auto stocks have moved significantly higher, and particularly Hero MotoCorp moved more than 5% higher. But even after this 5% move, Hero MotoCorp still has got a lot of values. You may remember I told you about 1 month before, in the next 1 year, if there is one sector that has to outperform in order for the markets to be bullish, and that is auto sector. And auto sectors are like beaten out of the shape, particularly the two-wheeler and four-wheeler manufacturers. Like auto components, not really very bad, but autos like four-wheeler and two-wheeler companies, so they've been doing very badly for the last many years. And who knows, next year they may outperform. But still, they are all very, very far away from their respective all-time highs. And Nifty is just 300 points. 300 points is just 2% away from all-time high. But you look at Maruti, which is nearly 20% below all-time high. And look at Hero MotoCorp, which is 30% from all-time high. So auto stocks may be in focus, and metals anyway doing very well. So today we may not see bigger price action. Markets may consolidate with some not more than 100-point move on either side from yesterday's closing level. And the real action will begin in the next few days, and the real action will be in the next week when Reliance and ICICI Bank results are out. So until then, the market may consolidate. So 18,000 anyway is going to be very, very good support, and 18,600 is going to be very, very strong resistance. So naturally, I'm selling 18,000 put option and 18,600 call options for the last few days in weekly options, and they are giving decent premium. We have only 3 more trading session. 18,600 call option trading more than 16 rupees, and 18,000 put option is trading more than 18 rupees. So auto on the first lane, and IT is doing very well, and Reliance is also started picking up. So now the banking has to pick up a little bit, and still Bank Nifty is nearly 4,000 point, which is more than 10% away from all-time high. So when that starts picking up, all-time high is a matter of time. Is only when, not if. So open interest, which I discussed already yesterday, the people are creating 18,300 short straddle and expecting Nifty to trade between 17,900 and 18,700. So as long as Nifty trading between 17,900 and 18,700, so the people who are creating 18,300 short straddle will be making some profit. So well, not last but not the least, the Omicron cases seems to be going down in some cities like Mumbai and Delhi. That's a positive news. And anyway, that is an expected news, because in South Africa is where at the first it was traced, and then it reached a peak, and then it fell. So Omicron cases spreading also very fast and coming down also very fast. So let us see. I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 18,200 and 18,400 within a small range, and due to the absence of many global cues, and so we have to watch the FA selling once again, because I think as of yesterday they've sold for 4 continuous days. So if they continue to sell like this, it's going to be a disturbance. So October, November, December is a different case, but in January, if they keep selling, the probability of they keep selling for the entire year is very high. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.